Hello everyone and welcome to App Guru. In this video, I will show you how to fix friend request not sending on Facebook. To start, open your settings application in your mobile device. Once you are now in your settings, scroll down and then look for Apps. Over at Apps, you can scroll down or use the search bar on the upper right to locate Facebook. In here, using the search bar, search for Facebook. Open Facebook this time, and then in here, tap on Force Stop on the bottom right. Click OK. Now tap on Storage. In here, tap on Clear Cache. Then you can now go back and close settings. Once you're here this time, open and locate your Google Play Store in your mobile device. Once you are now in Google Play Store, use the search bar on the upper corner to search for Facebook. Once you locate Facebook, all you have to do this time is to either update your Facebook application or to reinstall it. Once done, open Facebook. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.